AI hacks to triple your affiliate marketing income. The robot revolution in your pocket. Hey there, are you ready to turn your measly earnings into a money-making machine? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the wild world of AI hacks that'll make your wallet so fat, it'll need its own zip code. The AI invasion. Don't worry, it's friendly. Picture this. You're sitting on your couch eating chips, and suddenly your income triples. No, you didn't win the lottery or discover a long-lost rich uncle. You've just unleashed the power of AI in your affiliate marketing game. Why AI? Because robots don't need coffee breaks. First things first, what's AI? It's like having a super smart intern who never sleeps, never complains, and works for free. In affiliate marketing, AI can handle everything from writing your content to analyzing data faster than you can say commission check. According to a study by McKinsey & Company, businesses using AI have seen up to a 40% increase in productivity. That's like having an extra you minus the need for pants. AI tools, your new best friends. Sorry, human friends. Content creation. Because writer's block is so last century. Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai are like having Shakespeare on speed dial. They can whip up blog posts, emails, and social media updates faster than you can say to be or not to be. A study by Accenture found that AI-powered content tools can increase content production by up to 20%. SEO optimization. Because Google loves robots too. Surfer SEO and Market News are like having a direct line to Google's brain. They'll tell you exactly what to write to make search engines swoon. Research by Forrester shows that AI-powered SEO tools can improve organic traffic by up to 20%. Email marketing. Because everyone loves a personalized robot. MailChimp and Sendinblue use AI to make your email so personalized your subscribers will think you're their long-lost pen pal. A study by Epsilon found that personalized emails can increase open rates by 29% and click-through rates by 41%. Advanced AI strategies because basic is boring. Predictive analytics. Crystal ball not included. Google Analytics with AI capabilities is like having a fortune teller on your team. It'll predict trends faster than you can say next big thing. According to IBM, businesses using predictive analytics are 2.2 times more likely to outperform their peers. Chatbots, your 24/7 sales team. No coffee breaks needed. ManyChat and Drift are like having a clone army of customer service reps. They'll answer questions, recommend products, and even drive sales while you're catching Z's. A study by Juniper Research predicts that chatbots will save businesses $8 billion annually by 2022. Dynamic pricing. Because one price doesn't fit all. Price Inc. is like having a psychic economist on your team. It'll adjust your prices faster than you can say supply and demand. Research by MIT shows that dynamic pricing can increase revenue by up to 25%. Implementation. Don't worry, it's easier than IKEA furniture. Identify your needs. Figure out where you need robot help. Choose your tools. Pick your AI sidekicks. Start small. Don't go full Terminator overnight. Scale up. Once you're comfortable, unleash the full robot army. Measuring success. Because numbers don't lie, unlike your ex. Keep an eye on your conversion rate, click-through rate, CTR, and return on investment, ROI. These numbers will tell you if your robot friends are pulling their weight. Avoiding pitfalls. Don't let the robots take over. Shit. Remember, AI is your sidekick, not your replacement. Keep that human touch in your marketing. After all, robots can't appreciate a good meme yet. Wrapping up your ticket to the robot revolution. We've covered more AI hacks than you can shake a circuit board at. Content creation with Jasper or Copy.ai. SEO optimization with Surfer SEO or Market News. Email marketing with MailChimp or Sendinblue. Predictive analytics with Google Analytics. Chatbots from ManyChat or Drift. Dynamic pricing with Price Inc. Now go forth and conquer the affiliate marketing world with your new robot army. And remember, if AI takes over the world, you can say you were friends with it before it was cool. Oh, and here's a joke to end on. Why did the AI-powered workflow automation tool go to therapy? It had too many attachment issues. Thanks for reading, and may your commissions be ever in your favor.